What's up YouTube, Josh here, and in this video we're going to head down to Riverview and check out a couple of new construction homes in the Cedar Brook community. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan and I'm your Tampa Bay Area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. All right, so today I'm going to hop in the car, drive down to Riverview, and a couple Pulte homes that they are having a year-end blowout to steal a line from Lexus. Let's make it a December to remember. But they are offering up to $75,000 in incentives. So if you like one of these, reach out. Let's get it going for you. All right, let's go. All right, this one is the Easley model. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,708 square feet, 3-car garage. Currently listed at $563,900. It has been reduced $45,000 from the high. HOA fee on this one is CDD fee is $44.28 a year. HOA fee is $8.33 per month. Let me pan around, show you what it looks like over here. Then we'll go inside and take a look. And the pricing and incentives change all the time. So if you like this particular property, reach out. I'll get you the information that is current. All right, let's go inside and take a look. You come in the front door, you have the wood-like tile floor, nice tall ceilings. And over here to the right, you have 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Bedroom number 1 here. It is pre-wired for a ceiling fan. And then you have 2 linen closets outside the bathroom. And then into the bathroom, you have your dual vanity, your quartz countertops, your white cabinets, and then your tile around your tub and shower combo. All right, continuing on. Right here is going to be a flex room. If you watched my Easley Grand video, you know this one had the French doors on it, so just kind of give you a different look without the doors. And then this one's obviously a single level, doesn't have the second story like the Grand does. So nice open area here. Continuing on, let's go take a look at the primary suite back here. Another difference with this particular property versus the Grand that I filmed, there are no sliding glass doors that go out to the lanai. Still have your dual vanities. And then behind the door, you have your walk-in shower with a bench there. Toilet here, and then your walk-in closet. So this is, the downstairs is basically the same layout, just a couple different upgrades that were different in the Easley Grand. And obviously different finishes. Then you have your living room / family room here. Opened up to the kitchen. You have this lighter, a mix between the light and the dark wood for the island. Nice walk-in pantry. Then you have your wall-mounted oven and microwave. Electric cooktop there. I like how they did have the different color cabinets for the island here. Let me know what you think about that. Do you like all the same color cabinets, or do you like having the mix? All right, continuing on. Right here is going to be your air handler. A little bit of storage area right there. And then one more bedroom suite over here. And it's dark because there are no can lights. It's just Has a pre-wire overhead. And then your bathroom here. All right, let's go take a look at the laundry room. You have your laundry sink, and then you come out to your 3-car garage. Got the epoxy floor. All right, let's go outside, take a look at this covered lanai and the backyard. All right, so you come on out, nice covered lanai. And then you have your backyard here that backs to the pond. Let's turn around, show you the back of this one. And that Easley Grand is the one right next door right there. So that's gonna do it for this. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, this is the Mystique model. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,056 square feet. Currently listed at $495,480. It has been reduced $20,000 from the high. Monthly HOA fee is $8.33, and the yearly CDD fee is $3,689. Let me pan around, show you what it looks like. We'll go inside and take a look. As you notice there, we are on the end, so there will not be another home built next to it. So that's nice, at least for one side. All right, let's go inside, take a look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. When you come in the front door, you have your LVP flooring. And over here to the right, you're gonna have 1 bedroom and a bathroom. So the bedrooms are gonna be a little bit darker today because it's overcast outside and there are no can lights above, just the one pre-wire in the center there for either a ceiling fan or if you want to put in your own can light. All right, it's coming out of the bedroom. Right in front, you have a coat closet. And then bathroom number 1, with the white cabinets, the quartz countertops. Got the tile around the tub and shower combo, like a little accent piece there in the middle. All right, and actually before, because I was asking myself the same thing, but behind the door is the door to your linen closet. All right, continuing on, let's cross the hall and go out and take a look at the garage real quick while we're right here. Have your 2-car garage with the epoxy flooring, water heater in the corner there. All right, when you come in from the garage, you go straight into your laundry room. The washer and dryer would go there, and then in here you have a little bit of storage area, and then also your air handler is in here. All right, coming out of the laundry, take a right, and you have your 2nd bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. All right, continuing on. Down the hallway to the right is going to be your flex room. You do have the French doors with the glass inserts. This one does have an overhead light. I'd change out the fixture, but it's got an overhead light. Some of them are just the pre-wired as well. But check that out, that's what I like. We'll get over there in a minute. But this is your living room and / family room. You do have the tray ceiling with the 4 can lights, the pre-wire for the ceiling fan, and then your kitchen here with your white cabinets, your white quartz countertops, your white subway tile backsplash. There's an electric cooktop, sorry, and then the stainless steel range hood. You have your wall-mounted oven and microwave. And then in the island, you have your dishwasher and your single bowl undermount sink. And then your pantry there Then right over here is going to be a little dining area, breakfast nook. We'll go out there in a minute. You know, if you watch my videos, you know I like doing the lanai and backyard last. And then into the primary suite. Nice sized bedroom. You do have a pocket door right here, which you know I like pocket doors. Lead into the bathroom with your dual vanity. Nice walk-in shower. You do have the bench at the back here. All right. And then your toilet is here. Then you have a linen closet right there. And then your walk-in closet right there. All right, so now let's go outside, take a look at this covered lanai and these sliding glass doors. So as you see, they open up in the corner. So it opens it up here. Nice indoor, outdoor action. And then it slides all the way, you know, along the wall there. So you can open it up pretty much all the way. You are plumbed for an outdoor kitchen if you want to put one of those in. And then it wraps around. So you got some more spots over here for, you know, outdoor dining table. Here's your backyard. You do have the PVC fence back here. And then, like I said, nobody will be built right there, so no neighbor to that side. And then this is gonna be the back of this one. So I like how this is closed off over here to the neighbor. This is opened up to nobody except for across the pond. But that's gonna do it for this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.